Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese cheese roll. It's very cheesy in the inside and flaky on the outside, and it's so delicious. Today I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this Guyanese cheese roll, so you won't have to go to no other shop to buy a cheese roll. You can make a cheese roll right at home. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell as well. And you can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. So here is my ingredients. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients for my Guyanese cheese roll. First, the ingredients for the dough. We have some flour, ice cold water, butter, and shortening. And for the filling, I have some Wiri pepper, a little bit of butter, grated cheese, mustard, egg, salt, and some grated garlic. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put in our flour here. And then we're going to put in our cold butter. You have to use cold butter. The butter's so cold that it sticks down in the thing. And you have to use cold butter, and you have to use cold shortening. I had it in the fridge, so it's very cold. It's sticking down in the container. So what you're gonna do now is take your hands and you're gonna mix up the butter with the shortening, the cold butter and the cold shortening into the flour. So we'll be back. Okay, so I just mix up my butter with the shortening into the flour. So it's looking like this. So what I'm going to do now is pour some of my cold ice water in it, a little bit at a time, and to form my dough. Try to get it into like a ball. We'll be back. So what you're gonna do now, when you done form it into a ball like this, this is my plastic. I have a plastic wrap here. So what I'm gonna do is put it into my plastic wrap, just like this, and I'm gonna cover it. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour. So we'll be back. Okay, so while my dough is in the freezer, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make my filling. So I have some grated cheese here. I'm going to put in some garlic. I'm going to put in my hot Wiri pepper. I took out the seed. I'm going to put a little bit of butter. And I'm going to put my mustard. And you're gonna mix everything together. We'll be back. Okay, so I finished mix up the cheese roll mixture, This is how it's looking here. So what I'm gonna do now is take out my dough and show you guys the next step. Okay, so just took out the dough out of the fridge. So what I'm gonna do is break it into half, put the other half in the fridge, and just use the half for now. So what you're gonna do now is get a little bit of flour, put some on your hands, try to roll this out. Put some flour on your rolling pin as well. And we just roll it out. So I finished rolling it out. So what you want to do is take a pizza cutter, cut it, because you're trying to get it to look like a triangle shape. Just like this. So this here is going to give me 2 cheese rolls. Okay, so I cut 2 into square shapes. So what I'm going to do now is put in my cheese mixture inside it like this. Just like this. A little bit more. Do not put like too much, because it's going to leak out. So this is a fair amount I put here. So what you're gonna do now is take your egg wash and you take a brush and you rub the egg wash on the edges, just like this. Alright? And then, I hope you guys can see, because my hands look like it's blocking everything. Okay, let me turn it the other way so you guys can get a clear view. Yeah. So what you're going to do now is fold it over gently like this, just like this, and then you fold it over one more time like this. Alright, and then you're going to take your fork and you're going to just press down a little bit like this. Alright, and then you're going to do the other side as well. Press down a little bit like this, and then you're going to take the fork and put a little holes in the middle, and then you're going to put it aside and do the other one. So let me show you another one. You put the cheese mixture in the middle, just like this, and then you spread it a little bit. Like I said, don't put like too much, because it's gonna spill out. Alright, and then it's already tearing up a little bit. Alright, so you're gonna take your egg wash again and just rub all the edges all the way around. And then you're gonna fold it over like this, and then you're gonna fold it over one more time, just like this. And you're just gonna cut off a piece of the end, and then you're going to take your fork and you can just press down a little bit just to seal in everything, and just press down a little bit like this. It's going to seal in. And then you're going to take your fork and you're going to put some holes in it. And then this is my baking pan here. You put some parchment paper on your baking pan, and then you put your cheese roll like this. Alright, so I'll do the rest off camera. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished roll out 4 of them. So what I'm gonna do now is take my egg wash and just put it on the pastry cheese roll, so you can get a little yellowish color. Alright, and I'm gonna put it in my oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes on 350 degrees. Alright, so when I finish baking, we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end result for my Guyanese cheese roll. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. And please follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. All the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.